this afternoon, America, with the messenger to all others. Welcome to this afternoon's very important broadcast. Want to jump in this huge defamation trial between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard, and we're going to jump into this because I haven't seen anybody say yet that the reason why it went from a defamation case to a domestic abuse case is because of Johnny's lack of knowledge on what he is actually in the middle of, what he wants to do in the middle of what he wants to do. Excuse me. He has a really weak defense team, and it's not Johnny's fault the way he's acting on the stand. I want to clarify this because it needs to be clarified, and everybody will have a better understanding how actually Attorney Rottenborn was able to take this defamation case and turn it completely in Amber Heard's favor because of Johnny's lack of knowledge of the court system, the law and order. Now, what gave it away the first to me was he was doing long drawn out, stuttering a lot, long drawn out statements. He was also pausing a lot, and he didn't have confidence. He looked terrible during the first 5 days. Now, he probably realized on his own. That's why he has confidence now. He probably realized on his own that, I got to stand tall. She's going to win this case. Ladies and gentlemen, when you start a case, all right, it doesn't matter if you started it or not. Once you put that money up, once that judge approves the case, either you lose or you win. Nobody is important. This is a game of debate. This is a game of strategy here, okay? Storytelling, strategy, fabrication, okay? Number two, you all have to remember that the reason why Amber Heard is this close to winning, too, is there is a possibility that she is signing checks to his defense team, number one, because once you all leave the courtroom, nobody is watching you. Amber Heard is an attractive psycho in Hollywood. She will walk up to a defense attorney's house and say, hey, listen, what do you need? And he go, what are you doing here? This is for you. Don't do nothing. Just you keep doing what you're doing and take that. Because we live in the real world. I know a lot of you are going to say, oh, well, you're just getting too far. You're thinking way too deeply. Absolutely not. This is the real world. This is a high-profile case. This is a serious case. Number three, Johnny also does not know, or hopefully does know now, I haven't seen day 9 yet, it's day 9 today, April 26th, that if you are sitting with your attorney and your witness is defending you up on the stand and Attorney Rottenborn goes objection, and you know that what your witness is about to say has foundation, he can lean over to the attorney, excuse me, I need you to approach the bench. I have it, here it is, da-da-da-da. You tell the attorney, your attorney says, Your Honor, may we approach? Right before she moves on. Walks right up there, tells the judge, she redacts the objection, okay, or sustains it, whatever the judge decides to do. And I want to also include this judge really doesn't know what she's doing. I'm sorry, this judge does not know what she's doing. She's not even thinking before she speaks. She's just saying sustained objection. That's why I also want to say to this country, you are witnessing our everyday court system. That's why Amber Heard just might walk on this. You are witnessing a broken system. You are witnessing a man who, from my research, and I want to clarify, has done nothing but put his friends up, give them free things, watch their careers blossom, wanted nothing in return, did the same thing with Amber's people, did the same thing with his family, and had a big heart. And what I also want to explain to everybody, he didn't do it. I'll explain why he didn't do it. If this man was literally beating the shit out of Amber Heard, she would not be recording. She'd be living somewhere else. She would have ran. Okay? Reason number 4. She has more than enough evidence to win a domestic abuse case. She has more than enough auditorial evidence to win this case. That's why Attorney Rottenborn turned it into a domestic violence case, a domestic abuse case. I hope that the Depp family understands what I said in this video. I don't have a lot of time in my personal time to do the videos like that anymore. I'm trying to focus more on the instrumentals. I wanted to do this video specifically for the Depp family so they can get a better understanding of why this case is going the way it's going. I know maybe some of the Depp family already knows. Hopefully the Depp family is already grabbing Johnny up and saying, keep your statement short, just tone it down a little bit. But I do want to clarify to this court system and this country right now, if he keeps making those smug remarks and he keeps giving, as much as I agree with him, keeps giving them things to, doing that to Mr. Rottenborn, he can be excused. The case can go in Amber's favor immediately because the judge has full power. Before I end the video, I want to clarify also, the judge at any moment in time can either decide to dismiss the case after a statement has been made or rule in Amber's favor. Because once you start a court case, it is open season.